My name is Pat McGrath. I work for Milestone. I am the pit services manager. We're at the Rockville quarry this morning to commission a D65 for an autonomous trial in partnership with SmartROC. It's extremely exciting that the drill is here and we're going to begin trialing it soon. We want to see what we learn from this technology. We've been embarking on semi-autonomous features with the drills for the last couple of years. We've been pairing that with 3D designed shot patterns that we've been exploring on our blasting side. We see this as the next logical step. The ability to remotely upload a shot to an autonomous drill and have an operator monitor one or more remotely and see what that does to empower our associates across the footprint of the company and allow everybody to grow. So we're building a network here at Rockville, and we see that as being a part of the future at all of our plants. So it's a nice component to this trial. We're going to start off by just running the drill through its paces manned for a couple of weeks, get some baseline productivity numbers. Then we'll step back to tele-remote operations, learn what we need to learn to make that work, and then step back to fully autonomous when everybody's comfortable with it. We're very excited to see just what we can get out of a fully autonomous D65.
I work for SmartROC on the technology and automation team. Today we're here to commission the autonomous D65 for Milestone in Rockville, Virginia. Today we're installing the additional equipment needed to make the rig autonomous, which will include the lasers for obstacle detection, additional cameras for views around the rig. Then we're also going to begin the process of commissioning the base machine. This has been the first autonomous SmartROC D65 in the US. Milestone has agreed with SmartROC to allow us to gain access to data for future of getting operators away from the machine, out of dangerous areas, the ability to grow our offer of what we can do as a company and the capabilities of our machines.